I'm gonna be using our brand new Angel Lashes. These are without a doubt the most soft, lightweight, and versatile pre-made fans I have ever used. So they come like this, and they've already been made for you, but the base isn't bonded. So this means that you can use the lashes how they come, or you can add Foreplay to the tips to make them more spiky for your anime and strip lash looks, or you can even fan them out if you choose. You also don't have to grip the entire fan. You can totally pick up half for your hyper realistic and natural sets. Seriously, the options are endless with these lashes. For my pickup tweezer today, I'm using our 45-degree Grippo pre-fan tweezer, and I'll show you how I like to pick up our new Angel Lashes. So you wanna use a volume tweezer that has a sweet spot, and you can see that I'm coming in parallel to the strip, and I'm gripping the fan within the sweet spot of my tweezer. Now I'm using all of my pressure, and I'm gonna pull the fan back towards myself to release it from the strip. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip vertically into my glue dot. Also, look at how satisfying it is to watch the base come together in our Invisibond glue. I don't know if it's just me, but I find that so satisfying. Now to place my extension, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look from the side and hover my fan over the natural lash that I have isolated, and I'm gonna adjust my angle so that the base sits flush with the natural lash. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place. I'm applying very light pressure to the natural lash so I can wrap the base, and voila. Now let's repeat that process another 200 times. All right, here is the final result from today's lash set. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below, and if you have any more questions on how to lash deep set eyes, go ahead and drop a comment. Thank you so much as always for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.